Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your Toyota Corolla Grande. First, find the cruise control stalk, usually on the right side of your steering wheel. Press the on/off button to turn the system on. You'll see a green indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming it's ready. This initial step prepares your vehicle for setting a desired cruising speed, making long drives more comfortable and efficient. Once the system is active, accelerate to your desired cruising speed, which should be above 25 miles per hour for optimal function. Then, push the cruise control stalk down to the set position. This action locks in your current speed. You can now remove your foot from the accelerator pedal, and your Corolla Grande will maintain that speed automatically, reducing driver fatigue on highways. To adjust your speed while cruise control is active, simply push the stalk up towards res/plus to increase your speed, or push it down towards set/ to decrease it. Each tap typically adjusts the speed by 1 mile per hour. If you need to temporarily disengage, pull the stalk towards you to cancel cruise control or lightly tap the brake pedal. Your set speed remains in memory. To fully turn off the cruise control system, press the on/off button on the stalk once more. This clears the memory and ensures the system is completely disengaged. Remember to always stay attentive to your surroundings, traffic, and road conditions, even when using cruise control. It's a convenience feature, not an autopilot. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.